Dear students, let me introduce a subject called financial management in the second semester MBA. In financial management, you have total 6 modules. First module is introduction to the financial management. Second one is time value of money. Third one is long-term financing decision like capital structure decision, cost of capital, and leverages. Fourth module is long-term investment decision like capital budgeting decision. Fifth module is short term financing and investment decision like working capital management. Sixth module is dividend decision. These are the 6 modules you have in the financial management. Let us focus on first module is introduction to the financial management. The major topic we are going to discuss in the first module is meaning and definition of financial management. Next one is scope of financial management. What do you mean by finance? What are the functions of financial management? What are the financial goals of the firm? Agency problem, emerging role of finance manager in India. These are the important topics you have in the first module. Okay. Before going to financial management, first you have to know what do you mean by finance. Finance means money. Finance is a backbone of any business. Without money, you cannot start anything, any business. So first you need a money. So finance is the backbone of any business. The meaning of finance. The term finance has been defined as a position of money at the time it is wanted. Because at the time you want that money, that time if you got the money for the business, it's called finance. Okay. Next, we will go for what do you mean by financial management. Finance means money, and management means how you can manage, how you can utilize that money. That is called financial management. Okay. Let us see what is the meaning of financial management. Financial management is a process of planning, organizing, allocating, and monitoring the financial resources of an organization with the objective of optimum utilization of financial resources. So, financial management is a process of planning. How you can plan the financial management money. So, planning is nothing but estimation of required fund. So, if you want to start a business or expand your business, first you need a money. First, you have to estimate how much money you needed. For example, we need 10 lakhs. Okay, next identify the sources of funds. Means next you need a 10 lakhs, from from which source you can collect that money. You can identify whether you can issue equity shares, preference shares, debentures, or bank loan. Okay, these are the source you have. For example, we'll choose equity shares and bank loan. Okay, this is all about planning. Organizing is acquiring the required fund. We have already identified the sources, from that source you have to collect that money. That is called acquiring required fund. For example, you need, for equity shares you have to issue shares to the public and you have to collect. If it's a bank loan, no, you have to submit securities to the bank and you have to collect the money. You have to get the loan from bank. Okay, this is all about organizing. Allocating means allocating the funds in the fixed assets and current assets. Means allocating means distributing the fund according to what all you needed. Like you can invest in the fixed assets and current assets. Fixed assets means land and building, plant and machinery. That's all comes, that is you can invest in that. Or current assets is in the stock. You can invest in the bank also. You can in bank, cash at bank. You can save that money. So properly allocating, utilizing the money. Next you have monitoring. Monitoring means control of allocated funds. You have to checking the performance of the business. So already you have started your business. So monitoring is checking the day to day performance of the business. That is called monitoring. So these are the main 4 topics you have in that meaning. So financial management is a process of planning, organizing, allocating, and monitoring the financial resources. Financial resources, all the resources of an organization with the objective of optimum utilization of financial resources. Properly you can utilize that financial resources for main objective is to get the profit. Okay, this is the meaning of, have you understood the what is the meaning of financial management? Okay, next we'll see what are the functions of financial management. From the meaning only we will get main points, more points in that. Okay, the first point is what are the functions. Okay, estimating the financial requirement of the organization, so estimating the fund. Okay, second one is selecting the sources of fund, from which source you need that fund. Okay, third one is fund management, means you have to manage that fund, no, the money you have to manage it, you have to utilize properly. It's effective, efficient, and acquisition, allocation, utilization of fund, so you have to manage that full fund properly. Next one is risk management. You, in every business there is a risk, so as a financial manager, no, you have to manage the risk, like interest rate risk, foreign exchange risk, and all you have to manage. Financial environment, it's you have to control, or you have to manage the financial environment, like financial markets and financial institutions. You have to know how it's working, how it is helpful for the for your business. So we have to know how financial environment works. So tax management, as a financial manager, no, the main functions of financial management is you have to manage the tax, so knowing all tax deductions under the law, you can, then you can pay the tax, so it will help the company to manage the tax. So maintain good financial public relation with investors and bank brokers. So in financial management helps to maintain good relationship between the financial public relation, like investors, brokers, bankers, etc. It will help. Proper cash management, as a financial management, no, it helps to maintain good proper transaction in the books of accounts. So it will maintain properly. Cash management is fund management, you can properly utilize that fund and you can maintain all the records. Implement financial control, so if there is any problem, no, as a financial manager, no, you have to implement financial control, you have to properly maintain all the business activities in the properly. Okay, last point is proper use of surplus fund. If your business is getting good surplus, no, uh, you can maintain that, properly use that surplus fund in the further needs, like reinvest in the same business, or you can invest in some other stocks in the financial institutions. Okay, these are the main functions of financial management. Next, we'll see what are the scope of financial management. The scope of financial management is divided into two. It's a traditional approach and a modern approach. First, we'll see what do you mean by traditional approach. Financial management emerged as a separate field of study in the early of 1900s. The role of it means it was started early of 1900s. Before that, the role financial management is limited to the fundraising and administrating the needed by the corporate enterprise to meet their financial needs. So in the traditional approach, no, before 1900s, the role of financial manager is to fundraising and administrating the needed by the corporate enterprise. Only that its duty is to the financial manager duty is to fundraising and administrating, means maintaining that fund. Okay, under this approach the scope of financial management was limited to the following functions only. These are assessment of fund requirement, means how much fund you need, you have to estimate. Procurement of required fund from financial institutions, means You have to procurement means acquiring the fund from the financial institutions, acquiring fund through the issuance of financial products like shares, bond, debentures, and loans. These are the role of finance manager in the financial management. And the legal and accounting relationship between an enterprise and its sources of funds as a creditor. They have to maintain legally a accounting relationship between the enterprise and its sources of funds from where we have collected and with creditors. These are the main functions of financial management in traditional in modern approach was started during the mid of 1950s. So in traditional approach, no, they have the role of financial manager is limited to acquisition of funds and administrating the funds. Only two jobs they have. Okay. In the modern approach, no, they have increased some more points. Not only that, the role of financial managers is not only that, some other decision also they can take the for the good of business. Okay. In the modern approach was started during the mid of 1950s. Okay. Its scope is wider since it covers conceptual and analytical framework for financial decision making. So they have other conceptual and analytical framework for decision making in the business. Okay. In other words, it covers both procurement of funds as well as their allocation of funds with efficient allocation among various investment. Okay. They have to the role of finance manager is as well as fund procurement of fund as well as allocating of funds with effective manner among various investment is long term investment or short term investment, which will help maximize the shareholders wealth. So as a finance manager, no, they have to may give importance for not only for the business profit, but also the wealth of shareholders. They have to maintain good relationship between the shareholders of the business. Okay. Following are the main functions performed by modern financial management. Okay. The first function is investment decision. As a finance manager, no, they have to make proper decision in investing in long term assets and short term assets. Okay. In the assets they have to maintain and they have to properly utilize that fund in the business. Okay. Next is financing decision. Financing decision means estimating the funds and identifying the sources, properly identifying the sources from where they can acquire that money and properly utilize that for to earn profit. Liquidation decision. It's a liquidation in the modern approaches. The role of finance manager is they have to check the performance of every day-to-day expense business, and they have to properly utilize that funds in the business. And at the time of winding up, there should be a good value for the business in the market. Dividend policy decision. So as we know, the modern approach give importance to the shareholders. So as a finance manager, no, they have to pro- take a decision dividend policy properly. They have to give the portion of profit as a dividend to the shareholders so that they can retain the shareholders of the business. Okay, these are the main functions of modern modern approach. Okay. So today we have discussed what is the main meaning and definition of financial management, what do you mean by finance, scope of financial management, and main functions of financial management. Okay. Next class we will discuss the remaining topic. Okay.